Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, June 6th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So on the Aussie dollar, I mean, we definitely do have what looks like a pretty decent five-wave move up. The market likes to move in five-wave and three-wave patterns, so I think there is a very good chance that today's non-farm payroll news will cause a move down. The question is whether this move down is going to be a big impulsive move like that, or whether it's going to be like a smaller impulsive, like corrective move like this, and then next week sometime we end up continuing the uptrend. I think it's more likely going to make a crescent to the five waves, and then sometime next week we'll end up continuing up basically because of the higher time frames are definitely still in an uptrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the 1 hour time frame, price did go down and it did try to give us a break of structure on the 1 hour, but so far it hasn't been able to break and hold below structure. For me, I need to see a break and hold below structure to prove that we're going down, not just like a rejection of structure, kind of like what we're getting now. If it doesn't break and hold below structure, but instead at the news it just does this and goes up and takes out this high, then it probably is a better chance that it will just keep on going up and continue the higher time frame uptrend. So this is definitely the key level right here for us. We want to keep an eye on that to see if it does break and hold below that. If it does, that's where I will start looking for a sword at the end of the pullback that will come after the break. If it doesn't, and instead it makes an impulsive up, we have to keep in mind that all the higher time frames are in an uptrend, and there's a pretty good chance that the uptrend will continue. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.